Georgia is Christian country from 4th century.
From 4th century.
Yeah, Georgia is more agricultural country. More.
We stopped by to get a closer view of the Jean Valley Lake. It's so nice. It looks like in Canada.
Yeah, Canada.
In Canada, Alberta something. The lake looks so surreal. Beautiful. And right ahead is the dam that was built in 1982. Oh, by the way, you could stop by to get more clothes, warmer clothes. They have everything. Food. If you need a bathroom break, you can come here. Doggy! There's a lot of tourists. Dogs are friendly. Fresh fruits, fresh water, fresh air. 5 gel, babe. I'm gonna pay 5 gel. Babe, I want this, babe. This is my dream.
You really want this photo?
Absolutely. Look at that high horsey. This is the traditional Georgian.
You go by yourself on that?
Probably hunting clothes, huh?
It's only one person, right?
I think 2.
I'm not there.
I will sit.
You got it.
It's an old fortress. It's very steep. Oh, there's a little bridge over there. Can you see that? So we came inside the fortress. It's a tricky road coming up here. And inside there's a lot of bees. I don't know why there's bees inside. Yeah, you seen it coming out? Those are bees. Okay. Welcome. I think it's time to come down. It's safer for me. My insurance policy may not be applicable here. Babe! But the view is amazing.
That's cute.
Look at that hush puppies on top of the stairs. Then, oh, he's waiting for me. Hi. Are you feeling cold? Hello, you're cold. This is mountain water. So we stopped by to have a little taste of their mountain water, the spring water. Oh, do you see that, guys? You can also do water rafting. I just found out from our tour guide. His name is Zhazha. So see, if you guys go on a private tour, you get more chance to, you know, get down, touch things, experience is the key. They're doing barbecue over here. Smells so good. OMG, we're closer to the water. Let's go and swim. We'll come here for a picnic and do water rafting.
Go to the winery?
And then, no, it's already booked.
You already paid?
No, we still have, no, not yet, but it will be paid soon. No, winery is a different experience. You could come here for a day. Like day tour. Water rafting. Okay, I'll touch the water. Oh, can't you see? Georgian water. Love it. This is a beautiful experience that I will never forget. See, between the mountains. It's so beautiful here in the summertime. God. Oh, the
Wow.
mix of white and darker water. Can you see? That's
Coming
the
from one
dark,
side and the other
and
side.
this is the clear water. And
Yeah.
they're joined together into one color.
Listen, how long it lies?
Yeah, before they will start to mix.
Because they are fast.
Yeah, they cannot mix yet. Yeah, they're side by side.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah. Wow. That's,
Look. OMG. The other one is slower. This is faster.
mineral water.
We stopped by again to try Georgian mineral water from, what do you call this one? Well? Look at that beautiful view. The pine trees turn into orangey red. We are gonna sip some water. Try the Georgian mineral water. Oh my god, it's so cute. Imagine if I live here. Fresh water, fresh air, clean stuff every day. Wow. I wash my eye, very cold. Very cold. How it tastes like?
Like bubbly.
No, it tastes like.
Dirt?
Tastes like iron.
Yeah. It's nice. Oh.
Don't drink too much. Look at that view.
This place is insane, yeah?
We'll see, I never give up. It's no, I never give up. I do what I do. I never give up. What is on you? Yeah, I do always what I like. I never give up.
What would I do? Mix everything.
Mix everything.
Look at this view. That is unreal. That's amazing. Look at that restaurant, and there's a hotel. It's called Cozy Hotel, and they have restaurant. Would it be nice to wake up in the morning and see this view, or you could hear the water, and you have a beautiful mountain view. Looks amazing. It's surreal.
I never give up. What is on you? Yeah, I do always what I like. I never give up.
tough road and the struggle to come up here it's all worth it. Wanna know why? Because this is what you get. It's priceless, it's magical, it's a work of God. Look how beautiful that is. 360-degree, beautiful view, not even a single angle that's not cute. Everything is beautifully created. My God, what a life. What a life is this? Right? How I wish I lived here. Look at that view. Let's go on the other side. This is a 13th century old monastery of monks. Monastery? Oh my God. Of monks, men monks. So they live here. There was a wedding earlier, and if you come, make sure that you are wearing proper clothes because they are conservative, especially if you're going to church. You have to.
I never give up. I never give up. What is on you? I do always what I like. I never give up. I never give up. I never give up. I never give up. I do always what I like.
Who would have thought we'll be able to visit a cheese factory? Sorry. What were you saying? Zhazha,
If not you, I don't buy this.
if not you.
Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Is that good or bad?
It is, you know, it is bad for my...
Yeah.
But family will be happy.
Yeah, family will be happy.
The cheese is very good, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't
We have
even
so
need
much
to try,
cheese.
you
Look
already
how
know.
big that is.
I asked one more.
It's a one basket.
Big.
And we only paid really a good amount, around 20 lira, Larry.
It's just only one.